All right. Where I ended the last?
We're headed to the Day Lodge.
Oh, I thought you said something about the trail.
This is a tricky spot.
Oh, okay, that's what I thought you said.
Okay. Day Lodge, 3.2 miles, so about 45 minutes.
Hey, Mark,
Yeah.
walnuts.
Walnuts. Well, we don't have a bags, or they're too far to carry.
The video.
I got. There's way too many. We're too far to carry. Hey, Joe, what are these right here? These ones right here.
Hedge apples.
Hedge apples. Those good too?
No.
What are those, mainly squirrels?
Eat 'em.
Hey, don't that keep like bugs away or something?
Hedge apples.
Yeah, keep the bugs out of your bed. They're good to resell.
Hedge apples.
Grab one. Yeah, put it in the
Yeah.
cabinet under the sink.
Just started from where I ended the Furnace Shores video. I'd headed west briefly, I guess, before the trail heads south.
Sucks, I dropped the whole half the fucking one.
Looks like good walnuts.
Yeah. Shame we don't have our actual own car where we could, we got enough for now, but we could also come back, pick more if we had a ride, but it takes 40 minutes to get down here.
I'll still be looking next July, man. August, September.
Yeah. I mean, heck, Joe, if you got a string bag with you and you see some good ones towards the end.
I didn't bring it.
Yeah.
Should have brought a little water pump.
Yeah. The Day Lodge, I believe we're probably about 2.5 miles into this hike. Set around 3.2 to the Day Lodge. That's about 50 minutes hiking at a moderate pace. But I think we're averaging probably around 3 miles an hour, so not too bad. 'Cause this terrain ain't too bad. Beautiful day. Hey Joe, you see any ash trees here? Point one out if you. I don't know exactly what they.
Ash trees, very common tree.
Oh, I know. I know they have. Yeah.
I gotta watch my feet, man. You don't want to sprain an ankle in here. If it caught
No.
here, you're gonna
Sugar
get
maple.
hurt.
Yeah, that's true.
You ain't gonna see any deer either.
Well, it's kind of late in the day for them right now.
Make it maybe 2 miles is better.
Oh yeah. A little bit of tree roots right here in the trail, but not too bad though. It looks like we're not going to have a view of the lake for a little bit, but that's okay. Well, I think it's coming back into view down here. Yeah, it is.
There's a split in the trail up here, and if you wanted to take a break and go to the left, there's a little picnic table. It sits right on the little
Yeah. Well, I want to stay together because I don't, know this trail. Well, I'll probably stop and get a little brief video there included on the video. How far is it away? Nice, you can see the lake just barely through here. Yeah, it feels good back here. It really does. Nice. What are these, evergreens or pines right here, Joe? Or
No.
what are these trees right here?
Oh, that's probably black locust.
Black locust. Nice looking trees that go down to the lake once again.
Looks like some of these are cedar.
Cedar, yeah. Oh yeah, I've seen those before. Cedars, yeah. Maybe a few pines in here somewhere.
I'm not really.
Yeah, I'm not really either. You have a more wide range of trees here than I have seen at other parks, so it's very diverse. I know the ash trees generally have 7 or 8 leaflets on them.
Falling behind, Mark.
But,
It's kind of falling behind.
well, the naturalist is behind us. She's the one that's leading our group, so
Yeah, I
we'll,
know, but
yeah, don't worry. We're fine.
As long as you see those yellow marks on the tree, you know you're all right. Those yellow marks will take you right to the day lodge.
Day Lodge, yeah.
Buckeye Trail and what's the yellow is just a local.
The yellow's the perimeter hike that goes all the way around the whole lake.
Okay.
Yeah, perimeter. What's the blue?
That's Buckeye Trail.
Buckeye Trail?
But, yeah, we're on the yellow.
Yeah.
But it's also Buckeye. You see, it's got blue and yellow both.
Yeah. Well, it's been blue and yellow both for a little while.
It was also, we were on the
The view of the lake again.
North Country Trail too for a while. Over on the other side.
Yeah. That's the side we finish up on.
Trail there.
Buckeye Trail, yeah.
It keeps on going. It goes all the way around. Look around the state.
All right, I'm going to end this one. And hey, I'm going to take a quick leak, so just kind of